This work presents an approach to planning for multimodal humanoid mobility. In this work, we consider the problem of mobility planning for a humanoid robot. Humanoid robots are often designed to operate within man-made environments and, similar to humans, possess several different modes of mobility. These mobility modes and the transitions between them involve complex full-body motion. State-of-the-art approaches to humanoid mobility are focused on developing narrow, task-based planning solutions, for example tasks like climbing ladders, walking over rough terrain, and full-body manipulation. These task planners are often combined together using simple approaches like scripted behaviors, hand-coded state machines, or teleoperation. These approaches to executing a complete mobility task work well under ideal conditions, but are inherently brittle in more complicated or degraded environments. Our approach to humanoid mobility is to develop a single planner that incorporates all the various modes of locomotion required for different tasks. The planner automatically figures out which mode of mobility is appropriate at each point and how to transition between them. This provides a robust solution to a general mobility task. However, the problem becomes much more computationally challenging. To address this computational expense, we incorporate planning with adaptive dimensionality, use multi-representation, multi-heuristic A*, and we interleave planning with execution. Adaptive dimensionality makes the observation that in many regions we can plan using lower dimensional representations instead of the high dimensional representation of the robot. This approach adaptively introduces regions of high-dimensional planning only as necessary to ensure feasibility of the resulting plan. In this work, we extend the adaptive dimensionality framework to incorporate several low-dimensional representations specific to humanoid planning, and automatically figure out how to transform from one to the other. At all points during the search process, our planner combines and reasons about several low-dimensional representations of the robot. To efficiently explore these representations and plan solutions that utilize a number of different representations, we developed a new search algorithm called multi-representation, multi-heuristic A*. This search algorithm explores all representations simultaneously and incorporates guidance from several representation-specific heuristics to guide the search to the goal. This video demonstrates the planner incorporating multiple representations to produce paths that include bipedal walking, crawling, ladder climbing, and full-body joint motion. In this scenario, the multi-representation, multi-heuristic search algorithm determines whether the robot can reach the goal on the top platform by climbing the ladder or using the staircase. In both of these scenarios, planning is interleaved with execution. A simulated robot, shown in orange, executes the partial plan so far, while the search, represented as the green search robot, advances ahead toward the goal. The planner is integrated into a gazebo simulation utilizing available controllers on the actual robot.